Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful woman crochet open jacket designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts, stylish ideas, stylish color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Please friends, don't skip, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful jackets, open jackets in the birthday party or wedding party. Stylish color combination contrasts you can see also. Light and dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see. Every design is different one another. Washable jacket designs, beautiful ideas. You can easily wear these very beautiful jackets. Easily move with your beautiful and stylish crochet jackets. Soft and beautiful jackets. Stylish ideas, designing ideas you can see. Those ladies who love such type of crochet jackets, beautiful jackets. If you want to buy these very beautiful jackets, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.